I'm going to show you how to remove any background in 10 seconds or less, both free and paid companies. You ready? Let's go. Hi everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now for today's video, we're gonna go over how to remove backgrounds and how to remove them quickly. Now the first way that I'm gonna show you is through a paid program called Photoshop. I'm sure you've heard of it. But a few years ago, they added a new feature to the Properties tab and it's fantastic. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna load your photo into Photoshop just like you would at any other time. And then after that, you're gonna go to the Properties tab and you're gonna scroll down a little bit and then just click the Remove Background tab. And boom, just like that. That was done in real time and that was under 10 seconds. And then you could put whatever you want in your background. It's fantastic and it is fast. Now Photoshop does cost money and it's not just an initial fee, it's per month. And a lot of people either can't afford that or they just don't want to spend that amount every single month. So here is a free way to remove the background. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Remove.bg, and just like with Photoshop, you barely have to do any work. Essentially, you're just gonna upload your photo like this and then wait. And then after, it usually takes about 5 to 10 seconds. And then after that, you should have a PNG ready image of you with nothing in the background. And you just go click the download button and you're good to go. It is just that simple, and having both these free and paid for tools, it's fantastic and it's gonna save you so much time. Now, just as a bonus tip, Remove.bg does have a video version, so you can submit a video of yourself. The same exact process, it just takes a little bit longer. And then after 15 to around 30 seconds, depending on how long your clip is and how complicated it is, you get a background-free video. Now, back in the day, you would have to rotoscope for hours, and now all you gotta do is drag and drop. Technology nowadays is wild. So that is it, quick and simple. Those are the paid and free ways to remove your background in your photos in under 10 seconds, and also to do the same for video in under 30. All right, now if you have any questions, make sure to throw them in the comment section down below. If you like this video and you wanna see more, make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I will see you next time. Peace.